All right, just wanted to do a quick video of the TSX. I went online and tried to figure out how to take the alternator out, and the first two top videos are saying you have to undo your AC line. Don't do that. Do not remove your AC line to get your alternator out. It is not the right way. Do not do that. So what I did was I moved the power steering out of the way. It's two bolts, one here and one there. Moved out of the way, get the belt out of the way. Remove the PVC bolt that goes there. Take off your cover to access this. Remove that. Take this out. It's a 17 millimeter. Remove that. And then you can flip the alternator pulley side down and then pull the whole body up out of the area. Do not take your AC out. Do not take your AC out. Okay, so I have the new alternator in there, but I just want to go over this. When removing the alternator after you've taken this PVC part out, you want to orientate the alternator like this to then pull it out of that area. Once again, do not take your AC line off. That is dumb. The first two videos on YouTube, they're saying undo your AC lines. Wrong. Do not do that. That is so incorrect. You should not be undoing your AC line to change your alternator. Honda would never design a car to where you have to do that. Never. Maybe an American car, but Honda would never do that. So don't do that. First two videos on YouTube directed you to take that off. Do not listen to those people. It is wrong. Just don't listen to them. Take this out. Take a few more things out of the way and you'll be fine. Keep your AC. Do not do that.